What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. You guys, I am down the Dollar Tree Plus aisle in the location I always refer to as Dollree. And yes, you guys, we have a lot of new items for the week. We have a lot of new items for the season. We have these little doors that say blessed. These are also available at the sister store, Family Dollar. We have the super cute Happy Fall Y'all $3 little like decor, and the quality feels really nice. We also have Grateful, Thankful, Blessed. We have Gather with the metal flowers. We have Welcome. We have Harvest. These are $3 each. Not bad at all. We have these here, Grateful and Blessed. These are $5. We also have Farm Fresh pumpkins. I'm not going to take any more off because that just looks like an accident waiting to happen. We also have the big, humongous signs. These are $5 each. You can also find these at the sister store at Family Dollar. You guys definitely check out some of my Family Dollar videos and my Family Dollar playlist if you want to see what sort of things Family Dollar has lately. The cute $5 lanterns with the little LED light. We have a few varieties to choose from. I'm kind of excited about these. I'm not gonna get any, I don't think, this year, but I'm kind of excited about these because these cost $5 at Family Dollar. If you want the 7-inch pumpkin, anywhere else, you're gonna be paying $5 and up, but they're just $3 here, and the quality feels really nice. We have this one. I guess that one's the same. We have sort of an oatmeal. We just have a lot of varieties to choose from. This one is even at Family Dollar, but it's $5 there. We have this one, buffalo check, gray and navy. We have the silky floral. How much are these? These are $5. These cute little thankful pumpkins, these are $5. We also have Grateful. The trucks also are available at Family Dollar. They're very lightweight little metal trucks. We have red, kind of a grayish blue, and sort of a grayish white. Whoa, what's this? This is $5. I thought it was gonna be really heavy, but it's not. Looks like we have some Halloween items, pom-poms, a 90-inch garland for $3, $5 wreaths, Halloween wreaths for $5, garland bundles for $5, big Halloween bows for $3. Oh, we have the little Halloween trees here. These are $5 each. These are the LED brush trees. There's a little button on the bottom, a little switch. Beware, home of the Wicked Witch and her little monsters. Those are $5 and they're really big. Really, really big. And there's a little burlap hook up top. We have foam bundles, $3 for 12 shapes. I was like, oh, it's a cactus. No, it's a ghost. Cactus, I mean ghost. We have bats, $3. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are really cute. It's like a little, I think it's like a little tic-tac-toe. It says wood Halloween crafts, but you could totally make a cute tic-tac-toe out of this set. We have the little, what are they calling these? Halloween villages, $5. We also have the little ghost one. There's actually multiple ones, multiple ones to choose from. We have one more, you guys. We have the witch and the little cat with the hat on. Oh, these are cute. Eek and Boo. These are $3. Pick your poison and let's get wicked. Those are cute. Glass LED lights. $5. 5 feet of spider web lights, $5. Ooh, look at the texture on this one. $5 for this. These look like items that we would see in Michael's for like $15 to $20. Oh, and it's here. Now, these are the ones that Family Dollar carried for a few years. They call them bleeding candles. So there's one color wax inside and one color on the outside. So as it drips, it will have a different color. And those are $5. Look at this, you guys. The little vampire gnome, it's $3 and it's pretty big. The skeleton birds, the skeleton dogs for $5. These little bowls are $3 each. We have some wireless charging mouse pads for $5. Some shower speakers. Collapsible baskets, $3 each. I really love having Dollar Tree Plus aisles in my stores, and all of my stores are Dollar Tree Plus, with the exception of the big store I recently filmed in, but that one will soon be a Dollar Tree Plus. Do you guys have all Dollar Tree Plus stores too? Haunted doorbells, those are $5. Let me know in the comments if you guys have Dollar Tree Plus aisles in all of your locations as well. I got one of these, but I have to say it's a huge disappointment. It's like basically like an origami paper thing, and it really doesn't do much. So unless you're just obsessed with Rubik's Cubes and how they look, I think it's a total waste. All the crafting items, the glitter items. Yeah, you guys, that's what's down the Dollar Tree Plus aisle. Let's just take a peek over here really quick at the detergent, the fabric softener, the Platinum Power Wash. Sometimes they have bundles of washcloths, sometimes they're sold out, and they seem to always have a bunch of rugs. And those little plush pals are new. Those are $5 each. Yeah, you guys, that's what's down my Dollar Tree Plus aisles here in Rochester, Minnesota. This is the doll relocation. I had fun sharing these items with you guys. Let me know down in the comments what's on your wish list. What are you looking for at Dollar Tree and Dollar Tree Plus? And do most of your locations have the Dollar Tree Plus aisles yet? I don't know. I'm kind of thinking that all of the stores are going to have Dollar Tree Plus aisles eventually. I hope so, at least. Anyways, you guys, that's it for me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.